Level 1. The question everyone asks. Look up at the night sky. Billions of stars, trillions of planets, and statistically, thousands of them should have life. Civilizations, cities, signals traveling through space. But when we listen to the universe, we hear nothing. No messages, no alien broadcasts, no galactic empires, just silence. This mystery has a name, the Fermi Paradox, and it asks a terrifying question. If intelligent life should be everywhere, where is everyone? Level 2. The numbers don't make sense. Our galaxy alone, the Milky Way galaxy, contains around 400 billion stars. Many of those stars have planets. Scientists estimate that billions of Earth-like worlds may exist. Worlds with oceans, atmospheres, possibly life. And the universe itself contains over 2 trillion galaxies. With numbers like that, even if intelligent life is extremely rare, there should still be millions of advanced civilizations. Civilizations older than ours, smarter than ours, civilizations that should have colonized the stars long ago. Yet when we scan the cosmos, we find nothing. Level 3. The silence problem. For decades, scientists have been listening, powerful radio telescopes searching the skies for signals. One of the largest projects is called SETI. Its mission is simple: listen for evidence that we are not alone. But after decades of listening, no confirmed alien signal has ever been detected. Not one. No cosmic hello, no galactic internet, just a quiet universe. Too quiet. Level 4. The disturbing possibility. So scientists proposed a disturbing idea. Maybe intelligent life almost never survives. Maybe somewhere in the development of civilization there is a barrier, a deadly wall, something so destructive that almost every civilization hits it and disappears. This hypothetical barrier has a name: the Great Filter, or as scientists call it, the Great Filter. Level 5. What is the Great Filter? The Great Filter is not one specific event. It is a stage in evolution that is nearly impossible to pass, a step so dangerous that most life forms fail before reaching advanced civilization. Maybe life rarely begins. Maybe intelligence rarely evolves. Maybe civilizations destroy themselves. Somewhere in the chain from simple cells to spacefaring species, there is a step where almost everyone dies. Level 6. The horrifying paradox. Here is where the paradox becomes terrifying. If the Great Filter exists, it must be located somewhere in the timeline of civilization, and there are only 2 possibilities. Either the Great Filter is behind us, or it is ahead of us. Level 7. If the filter is behind us. If humanity already passed the Great Filter, then we are incredibly lucky. Maybe the hardest step was the origin of life itself, or the evolution of complex cells, or intelligence. Maybe those steps are so rare that almost no planet achieves them. which would mean something extraordinary. Possibly, humanity might be one of the first intelligent species in the universe. Possibly, the only one nearby. Level 8, if the filter is ahead of us. But what if the great filter is still waiting, somewhere in our future, a catastrophe that destroys nearly every technological civilization? Maybe nuclear war, maybe runaway artificial intelligence, maybe environmental collapse, maybe something we haven't even discovered yet. Something that wipes out civilizations before they reach the stars. Level 9, the cosmic graveyard. Tension. Think about what that means. Every silent planet in the universe might once have hosted a civilization. Cities, technology, voices speaking into the sky. But eventually, something happened. A war, a disaster, a mistake, and the signals stopped, leaving behind only dead worlds. Level 10, the final realization. Now, imagine this. Somewhere, far across the galaxy, another civilization once asked the same question we are asking today. They looked at the stars, they saw the silence, and they wondered, where is everyone? They didn't know it yet, but they were about to discover the answer. They were about to meet their great filter, and the most disturbing question of all, are we about to meet ours?